So you fancy a wee adventure? Travel? Or maybe you're just a dirtbag wanting a cheap place to sleep? Allow me to introduce you to the Backseat Bivy, a tool that revolutionises car camping and redefines where you can rest your head. Literally. The Backseat Bivy is designed to fill the gap between the seats, making for a bigger sleeping surface in a wide range of SUVs, cars and wagons. You don't have to be a wee leprechaun to sleep in your wagon anymore. Simple. Click, adjust, and sleep. Or just keep doing what you're used to. Why not turn your vehicle into a luxury motel? With a 1-minute install, it gives you more time and less chores at the destination. Gets you closer to the trailhead. And most importantly, it offers you a better night's sleep. So, stretch out and enjoy the benefits of a proper night's rest. Really? Lad, you're a bloody mess. Dark coffee, hot fire, nothing's stopping you. Can't say the same about your friend. I'm just a Scottish voice actor, but the owners assured me they spent years designing and refining the Backseat Bivy so that you can have more time and